you're looking for a way to make money online, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start making between $300 to $2,500 every month just by writing articles. Now, I'm going to show you 6 platforms that are going to be paying you between $60 and $500 per article that you write for them. Now, if you write just one article for each of the platforms that I'm going to be sharing with you, that will leave you with at least $300 to $2,500 every month. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, I suggest that you watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part so that you don't miss out on the submission requirements for each of the platforms. And if you miss the information, then you are most definitely not going to be making money from the platforms, and you don't want that to happen to you, right? Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, number 1 on our list is thebreakdown.co.uk. Now, if you scroll down to our rates, you will see we pay £80 for 700 to 900 words. Either side of this word count is fine. For columns, we pay €100 per piece. Our rates are currently non-negotiable due to our budget as a startup, okay? One thing you need to pay attention to be able to get this job is how to pitch. The requirements. Send your pitches directly to pitches@thebreakdown.co.uk. In the subject line, write pitch. So you just write pitch and then write your headline. We are open to more than one pitch per email. So in one email, you can actually write more than one pitch. So if you're going to be submitting more than one pitch, I advise that you write your headline to capture the number of pitches that you have. And like you all know on this channel, I bring you tips, tricks, and tricks, and then sneaky ways to do things. So here, I'll also advise that if you have multiple pitches, use multiple email addresses. Okay, use multiple email addresses, but not with the same name though. Use multiple email addresses to submit your articles. You submit up to 5 pitch, and luckily all of them get picked. You're going to be making a lot of money, and since they're paying £80, and if you're going to be multiplying it, if you multiply it by 5, you're going to be making £400 per submission. So you're going to be submitting multiple articles in a sneaky way, right? So this brings us to number 2, and number 2 is highly-sensitive-refuge.com. Okay, when you come to highly-sensitive-refuge.com, you click on write for us, and then once it opens, just scroll down to see the money part, because that's the most important part. They pay $60 and they use PayPal. We use PayPal to send payment, so you must have a PayPal account. So this is why I always encourage everyone on this channel to open a PayPal account. PayPal can really be a pain most of the time, but we don't have any choice. Most of these platforms ask for PayPal, and as freelancers, we gotta do their bit so that we can make money. So I've done a tutorial on how to open a PayPal account. If you're living in a country that PayPal is restricted, that you can't open a business PayPal account, please click on this to watch it. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, please click on this video right here to watch it after watching this video, of course. So let's look at submission requirement. Call to action. You can decide, they pay in 2 ways. You can decide to be paid in, they pay you $60 for your article and then you go, or they can give you a call to action. Maybe you put your Instagram account or your TikTok or YouTube channel or something you're selling. You can put your affiliate link or anything. If you think you're going to make more money, if they give you a call to action, maybe from your affiliate links, affiliate marketing, then you can just go ahead and go for this. This will even make you more money if you actually package it very well. And that brings us to the 3rd platform, and that is oc87recoverydiaries.org/your story. And here you can see we offer $150 honorarium for accepted posts payable upon publication. So once they publish your article, they pay you $150 straight up. And then that brings us to our next platform, and that is healthyplace.com. And this is not just a platform that is going to be paying you for one-off article. They are hiring writers. So all you have to do is to submit your application, write something, write to them. I'm going to, show you guys the requirements now, but you can write anything around these topics: addiction, anxiety, coping with depression, bipolar from a young adult perspective, eating disorders, mental illness in the family, self-injury, mental health, stigma, and all the rest of them. They have 21 topics that you can actually choose the one to write from. They have PTSD and a whole lot of them. Now, these are the submission requirements: your name, your email address, the choosing blog topic, that's from that 21 topics that we saw earlier, your experience with the choosing topics, a summary of who you are, your writing experience, any blogging or website experience, your motivation for doing this, and what you might have to offer to our readers. A link to your current blog or site if you have one, So you don't necessarily need to have one. But even if you don't have one, it's also good to position yourself as a writer, so you can actually tailor your social media profile for that. Maybe you can use your Facebook, maybe you can use your Instagram and start writing about mental health, topics. I've thought about how you can actually do most of these things on this channel, so I would advise you to check out more videos that I have on this channel pertaining copywriting, so that you can get an idea of how to do these things even if you don't have any experience whatsoever. Just go ahead and read this and get all the information that you need, and then take your time to submit. A lot of people will submit first and then start taking their time to now read through. No, please don't do that. Anything I share here, take your time to go through it over and over again, get the full hang of it, and then do the necessary things you need to do. Like I've talked about, you need to show some working now for all these things. So the first thing you need to do is to ask yourself, how will I show these people that I'm a professional writer or I've been writing? And the easiest way to do that is to start writing on your Instagram page or your Facebook page. And it doesn't have to be like 1 million posts. No, you can write like 2 or 3 posts about mental health, things. Just go on Google and search for topics and read, and then paraphrase it if you cannot come up with yours, and then do a design on a soft design on Canva, and then do a post on Instagram or Facebook, and then put your write-up, and then you're good to go. When you're now submitting to these people, you can now take the post links on those social media platforms and include it as your experience in this field, and you will surely be picked. It's a no-brainer, right? So let's move over to the next platform, and that is Introvert Dare. I believe you're already getting a lot of value from this video. This video actually took me time to research these platforms, test them out, and then record and edit these videos and then upload it. So the least you can do for me is to like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. The more people like the video, the more I get motivated to do even better videos than this one. Introvert Dare is an amazing platform, again, that pays you a lot of money to write for them. So introvertdare.com pays you to write articles for them, and once you're on introvertdare.com, all you need to do is to just scroll all the way down, and you will see where they have Write for Introvert Dare. So when you click on it, it opens to this page, and then you can have question and answers, frequently asked questions. How long should my article be? It must be at least 1,000 words. Don't go over 2,100. So it's between 1,000 and 2,100, but I always advise you to keep it below 1,800. Okay, keep it below 1,800, and as you can see, they pay you $75, and they pay to your PayPal account. PayPal again. So if you're going to be working as a freelancer and you intend to make money as a freelancer, then you should have a PayPal account. Don't mind any issue that you might have with PayPal. If they close one, open another one. If they close one, open another one, till we'll find a permanent solution. Just follow the process, open a new one, and then just keep opening a new one. Receive your money, withdraw it, and keep going. It's that simple, right? So they pay you $75 for your article, for each article that you submit, and PayPal removes $1 to $5 transaction fee. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do about this. You are not allowed to include a call to action with this option. We will send payment before the 15th of the next month after your article is published. Writing for them for the first time, opens door for you to even be a consistent writer for them. So you're going to be writing for them often. So it's not going to be just a one-off transaction. They will always, request that you write more articles for them. So please make sure that you write good piece for them. Just go through the platform, get all the information that you need to get, and here you can see what makes a strong article. So they're even giving you an idea of what they expect to see in your article, so they're making it much easier for you to break even. And most of these platforms can be, it can intertwine, because whatever experience you're getting from this platform, whatever you're getting from here, like what makes a strong article, if you learn this perfectly, you can then use the same format for all the other platforms, and it's good. But one thing you should never do is to send the same article to more than one platform. They don't allow that. It has to be strictly for that platform and has never been published anywhere on the internet before if you really want to get paid to do this. And then the next platform is wellandgood.com/pitching guidelines. So here you have all the details you need. Now, what I want you to point out from this platform is we do not accept previously published articles or blog posts. No platform will accept a previously published articles or blog post because of plagiarism. So if you scroll down, let's scroll down. Let me show you where you're going to be sending your pitch to. Is this email address. So take note of this email address. This is the email address that you're going to be sending your details to. So just make sure that you follow the guidelines and you understand the guidelines perfectly well before you reach out to them. Okay, so let's go down to the money part, which is the part that all of us want to see. So here are the rates. They have reported pieces. They have tier 1. They're paying $150 to $350, and that requires you to submit between 500 to 800 words. 0 or 2 sources. So this one requires like 0 sources. If you don't have any source, no problem. And then tier 2 is between $350 to $500, and the required number of words is between 800 to 1,200 words. And it's a must that you include sources between 3 to 4 sources. And then tier 3 is $500 upwards, depending on how heavy the article is, and the required number of words is between from 1,200 upwards, and should be heavily reported. Heavy, like I said, heavy article, heavy payment, heavy money everywhere, right? For personal essays and up, the pay for tier 1 is between $200 to $400, and they need just 600 words to 1,000 words. And tier 2 is $400 plus, upwards, and they need 1,000 words upwards. Again, I advise that you go through the platform so that you can understand perfectly what they require you to do in your article, how they want your article to be, so that you can present that exactly to them. You can increase your chances of being hired. And as you see, there's a lot of money on the table. If you're going to be doing this like 5 times in a month, that's a whole lot of money on the table just by typing. I advise that you watch this video here next to learn more on how to make money online. And if it's something that you love, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload amazing videos like this. You can never go wrong with any information that I put out on this channel. They are verified and things that I use to make money for myself, and I share that along the way. So this is more like my little diary where I share things that help me make money on a daily basis and on a monthly basis. So if it's something that you're interested in, again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the other side.